5 little frogs on a pond so wide, jumping and splashing with the sun as their guide. One hops away to the reeds to hide. Now there are 4 with nowhere to slide. Frogs on the pond, hop, hop, jumping around. They just can't stop. One by one they leap away. Frogs on the pond, it's a hopping day. 4 little frogs with a croak so loud, playing in the water, feeling so proud. One dives deep, vanishes in the shroud. Now there are 3 in the froggy crowd. Frogs on the pond, hop, hop, jumping around. They just can't stop. One by one they leap away. Frogs on the pond, it's a hopping day. 3 to 2, then 1 alone. The pond gets quiet, no froggy tone. But wait, what's this? They're back, they've grown. 5 little frogs on the pond, all home. Frogs on the pond, hop, hop, jumping around.